Aconite or aconitin is a toxin produced by the Aconitum napillus plant, which is also known as monkhoods. Wolfbane, woman's bane, devil's helmet, and blue rocket is found chiefly in the mountains parts of the northern hemisphere. Once believed as the most toxic substance known to man, it has been historically used to poison arrows and landscapes, to kill condemned criminals, and to poison the water of supply of enemies. Women were thought to be especially vulnerable to the poison. So kanina siyang aconite or aconitin, okay? Kasi natatanong siya ng plant na toxic, no? Or magamit siya sa poison, no? Na magamit siya landscapes and poison arrow to kill condemned criminals. So aconite is a white powder that is barely soluble in water but very soluble in alcohol. The rapidly acting poison takes effect within minutes of exposure and targets the electrically excitable cells of the nervous, cardiovascular, and skeletal muscular tissue, causing abnormal and potentially fatal heart rhythms. So kanina gitarget aning aconite, no, kay kanina cardiovascular and skeletal muscular tissue, no, na makakause of abnormal and potentially fatal heart rhythms, no, kuan sa heart. And then ricin is a highly toxic, naturally occurring protein derived from the seed shaft of the castor oil plant, Ricinus communis. Ricin is a twice as deadly as venom, and it is poisonous if inhaled. Injected or ingested, it has high lethality, causing weakness, fever, and pulmonary edema after inhalation that can lead to death from hypoxemia in 2 to 3 days. So, kanidong ricin na kay twice to siya kadidli sa venom sa cobra, no? And it is poisonous if inhaled, injected, or ingested. And then ricin poisoning has been connected with several terrorist incidents involving the Al-Qaeda, the Islamic militant group. So ginamit siya na, no? And also al-Islam tested ricin along with other chemical and biological agents in northern Iraq, used for assassination during the Cold War, and the Bulgarian Street Service killed a descendant named Georgy Markov by injecting his leg with a small ricin containing metallic pellet discharged from the tip of a weapon belt into an umbrella. And then the second one is lead. Lead is a soft and malleable metal used in building construction. Lead batteries, bullets, and shots, which as part of soldiers' proters, fusible alloys, and as a radiation shield. Lead acetate is the most common salt that causes acute poisoning. Immediately upon ingestion, the person will feel a sweet, metallic, a strange taste in the mouth, no? So metallic ang kwan sa baba daw. And then along with the burning sensation, no, in the throat and stomach, no, init daw kayo andre sa sa tiyan or sa diri sa tunlan. And intense thirst, no, daw kanang uhaw jud kay kana. Other symptoms include vomiting, constipation, cold, clammy skin, filled rapid pulse and shock, drowsiness, headache, muscular cramps, and convulsions. Paralysis of lower limbs may be seen, and death may occur. So nakani ba no, isa ba dayan ni, no, kay kanang kanang ang pagsuka, constipation, ng paglisod og CR yana, lisod og libang, ano na siya timela na apekto sa lead. And then drug abuse is a growing global problem, often such resulting in accident, criminal activity, and death. Drug-related criminal crimes are usually committed either to fund the purchase of drugs or as a consequence of drug misuse. Example of such criminal activities include shoplifting or burglary offenses under the various acts established to control the possession, distribution, and consumption of drugs, and criminal acts carried out by the person in an abnormal mental state due to drug intoxication or withdrawal, such as assault or damage to property. The World Health Organization, or WHO, defines a drug any substance other than those required for the maintenance of normal health that, when taken to the living organism, may modify one or more functions. So, and then deaths related to drugs may be from recreational usage of illegal drugs or from deliberate or inadvertent misuse of over-the-counter preparation or prescription medication no kana sobra ra gamit no mo na siya kana lagi drugs of abuse no kana saktong paggamit sa drugs or prescription medication. In many cases, a drug-related death scene will include drug paraphernalia such as syringes, needles, spoon, cookers with small foil, cooking sheets, lighters, bongs, and so on. So, paggamit mo daan na kay kanang syringes no gamiton or sa kanang napang injection kanang or kana pong kanang fuel no ang fuel porma ng fuel no then gamitag lighter no amo na siya. Then toxicology reports involving drug-related deaths should be considered in the context of the entire case investigation, including the person's medical history, drugs use abuse history, some scene investigations, circumstances of the death, and complete autopsy findings. The drugs may have played a primary role in death and may therefore be listed as the cause of death. Alternatively, the drugs may have played a minor role in the death and will therefore be listed as a contributory condition. So, an autopsy can reveal of the following clues that a person may have died of drug overdose. So, man siya example sa kana. So, man siya example sa kana. Na timelanan na drug abuse ang isa ka person no na gikan ni autopsy kung autopsyhan ang isa ka tawo no. So, the first one is foam cone, overnose and or mouth no timelanan sa sa ilong sa baba. Color for discoloration of lips, tongue, oral mucosa or stomach. So mailan ang kanang ang lahi ra jud ang color na sa tong sa lips o sa oral mucosa or sa tiyan. Second one is the granular grainy or pasty pill material in mouth and or stomach, pills in stomach. So mailan gid na mo negative og pills mailan jud na diya. And pulmonary congestion. And the second one is frothy fluid in bronchi and trachea, and then the mucus in bronchi, and the increased amount of urine in urinary bladder. So kanina itong urinary bladder mo timelahan daw nagamit og drug abuse no kung daghan og urine or
Stimulants, also called uppers, are psychoactive drugs that stimulate the nervous system, resulting in euphoria, increased energy, and alertness with loss of appetite. So, stimulants are a class of drugs that spread a message traveling between the brain and body. They can make a person feel more awake, alert, confident, or energetic. Ang sample niya is kaning mga cocaine, methamphetamines, amphetamines, nicotine, and ecstasy. Next is cocaine. Cocaine is a strongly addictive controlled substance derived from the leaf of the erythroxylon coca thrush. It has become an extremely popular drug with some medicinal value, although it also has a high potential for abuse. So, cocaine is a highly addictive drug derived from the leaves of the erythroxylon coca bush, available as a white powder or crack cocaine. It can be snorted, injected, or smoked. Cocaine induces euphoria, increased alertness and energy, but also causes insomnia, appetite loss, elevated heart rate and blood pressure, and increased body temperature. So, ecstasy. Ecstasy is the street name for methylene dimethamphetamine or MDMA. It is a part drug that is classified as both a stimulant and a hallucinogen. It is administered orally as a tablet or capsule, and the effect lasts approximately 3 to 6 hours. So, ang ecstasy kuno is kuan ka ng illegal nga drugs na ay kanis sila tanan illegal man siya pero ang ecstasy is sa paggamit daw og ecstasy is maka energetic pero naay side effect. Ang side effect is kanang mag-palpitate ka tas atakihon ang kuan kanang atakihon ka og kanang anxiety. Dayon, methamphetamine. Methamphetamine hydrochloride or shabu is a synthetic drug that comes as a white odorless powder tablet or na crystals that look like shards of glass with a bitter, numbing taste. It can be swallowed, snorted, smoked, or injected, resulting in a feeling of physical and mental well-being as well as a surge of euphoria and exhilaration. So kuan, methamphetamine is kanang ang laing tawag niya is kanang shabu. Mo ni siya shabu. Kanang mao lagi ni nga if masobraan og gamit, ma-effect niya sa imong hunahuna mao nang makapanakit na ka. Dagan pud na siyag effect sa imong lawas nga pwede nimo ikamatay. Then hallucinogen. Hallucinogens are drugs that alter the perception of reality. They rarely cause toxicity sufficient enough to result in death but may cause convulsions, respiratory depression, coma, hyperthermia, and seizures that may prove fatal. So, hallucinogens are drugs that change how people perceive reality. While they rarely cause deadly toxicity, they can lead to serious health issues like convulsion, respiratory depression, coma, hyperthermia, and seizure, which can be fatal. Psilocybin in a particular can cause coma and convulsions. The altered perceptions and potential for psychosis or bizarre behavior can lead to dangerous situations such as an individual believing they can fly and jumping out of a window while on LSD common. Kuan pod kanang hallucinogen include cannabis, psilocybin, mescaline, og peyote cactus, and psilocybin from kanang mushrooms.